Wow, look at all the butterflies! They're so pretty! Whee! Let's chase them! I want to catch one! They're so beautiful!
Today nobody will know what is living and what is non-living!
Whoa, look at the sky! It's getting brighter! The light, it's everywhere! This ball moves, so it must be alive. The bicycle moves too. It's living. Wow, really? Let's see. My toy robot talks. It's alive.
Wait! Movement alone doesn't make something alive.
Really?
No. Today you will discover the secret of life. Who can breathe? Who can grow? Come along, let's all know. Living, full of life, growing every day. Moving, breathing, eating food, that's the living way. Look, Woody is smiling at us.
He's waving. Let's go.
Hello, everyone.
Trees don't walk. How are they living?
I may not walk, but I breathe. Plants breathe too.
Hey, Captain Life. I have one doubt.
Of course, Suhan. What is it?
Trees don't have a nose, so how do they breathe?
Great question. Plants don't breathe through a nose like we do. They take in and give out gases through tiny openings in their leaves. That's how they breathe.
Oh, now I understand. Wow, he's amazing! Yay, wow!
What did Buddy do?
He ate, he ran, he drank, he slept.
Exactly. Living things need food. Buddy showed us that living things eat, drink, move, and rest. Soon we'll discover even more amazing signs of life. First, they need food. They also need water. They grow, reproduce, and respond.
Is that another living thing?
Hello, everyone!
He's alive!
Let's investigate. Are you hungry?
No,
Do you breathe?
no,
Do you grow?
no,
Can you have babies?
no.
So, machines may move, but they are not living. Machines don't need food. They don't breathe. They don't grow. They don't reproduce. Now, let's test everything with a special invention. This is the life detector. Tara, you try first.
Wow, okay! Okay, buddy, let's scan you. Whoa, look at the sparkles! Scan complete, he's full of life! Buddy, you're alive! It worked! Yay, buddy! Scanning Woody!
The energy is rising, life strong.
Woody is living! Scanning Rocky Stone now! Wait, it says non-living?
An error? That's funny. I knew it.
Captain Life, I have another doubt.
Go ahead.
Roborock walks and talks. Why isn't he living?
Because someone programmed him. He doesn't eat food. He doesn't breathe. He doesn't grow. Machines can move, but they are still non-living.
Now I know the difference.
You may have learned a little, but let's see if you can solve this. Feel the power of my confusion ray! What have you done?
Everything looks alive!
Don't look at movement. Look for the signs of life.
Let's remember what we learned.
Ask the 6 questions.
Needs food, grows, breathes, respond, needs water.
Oh no, they learned the secret of life.
Yay, we did it! The sun is back.
Great job, everyone. If something moves, don't decide quickly. Ask these questions. Can it breathe? Can it eat? Can it grow? Can it reproduce? Can it respond? Does it need water?
Captain Life, one last doubt.
Ask me anything.
If I see something new, how can I quickly know whether it's living or non-living?
That's easy. Ask yourself these 6 questions. Does it need food? Does it need water? Does it breathe? Does it grow? Does it reproduce? Does it respond? If the answer is yes, it's living. If not, it's non-living.
Awesome! I'll remember those 6 questions forever!
If yes, it is living. If no, it is non-living.
Living things grow each day, need their food in every way. Plants and animals, big and small, life is special for us all. Books and tables, cars and stones, they're non-living on their own. We know the science right, learning makes our future bright.
Now we know! I wish I could eat pizza.
Maybe in chapter 2.